Hello, and thank you for tuning into Captain Hank's highlight video. Captain Hank is a drone pilot available for hire in Eastern Ontario. Whether you're looking for aerial photography or drone mapping, Captain Hank is your drone pilot for the job. Hope you enjoy these highlight clips, and at the end of this video we will have a detailed list of services available and Captain Hank's contact information. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.